The next sort of a utility function that we want to discuss is utility function having a bliss point or having a satiation point. This is a very realistic assumption, because saying that a good, as much as I consume, will always be giving me a utility is not correct. Okay, I may like a dairy milk chocolate, but if I am forced to have 20 dairy milk bars at one go, it will lead to a negative utility, right? So probably till the second or the third chocolate bar, it is giving me satisfaction. From the fourth or the fifth bar onwards, it is leading to an uncomfortable situation for me, right? So normally with food items, this is more true, that there is a point beyond which the food is a bad commodity for me. I can't eat it, right? So a bliss point or a satiation point is such that there is a particular bundle which is the best bundle for the consumer. Okay, the utility is normally given by this kind of a framework. Okay, with normally a negative sign in front. So if my x is equal to a or y is equal to b, that will give me the highest utility. So what will happen is a point a comma b will give me the highest utility. See, the utility will always be negative except at the point AB. So AB is called the bliss point, and you'll get indifference curves which will be circular in nature. All right. Please understand, you can easily draw this and divide the entire graph into 4 quadrants. So here x is less than a, y is less than b. So both are good. X is a good commodity, y is also a good commodity. Here x is higher than a, but y is lower than b. So here x is bad commodity. Here y is greater than b, but x is less than a. So here y is a bad commodity. And in this part, both x is greater than a and y is greater than b. So x, y both are bad. Okay. So there are 4 parts to this. Now, what about the budget line? If I have a budget line which looks like this, obviously, if the budget line is like this, then the optimal point will happen in the tangent. Whenever xy good is the quadrant for the budget line, then obviously I will choose the tangential solution. But if the budget line is somewhere here, that is, the bliss point is affordable, I will obviously choose the bliss point. It's the same. The bliss point and the satiation point is the same. And the closer the consumer is to the bliss point, higher is the utility. Okay. The closer the consumer is to the bliss point, the higher is the utility. So I will choose a tangency solution only when I am in this part where x and y are both good. If the bliss point is achievable, I will choose to consume the bliss point. Why should I spend more amount of money if the bliss point is the best point that gives me the highest utility? It's better that I waste the money and consume at the bliss point. That will give me a higher utility, right? If the chocolate bar is only good for me till the third one, just to exhaust my money, why will I buy 10 chocolate bars? It doesn't make any sense, is it? So this is the bliss point or the satiation point.